Am coming. Maim a raha hum. Please sit down. Kripaya betha jay. Stand up. Kari ho jay. Open the door. Darabaza kolo. Close the window. Kiriki bandakaro. Give me water. Mujhe pani do. I am hungry. Mujhe buka laji hai. I am tired. Main thaka gaya hum. Wait for me. Mara intazara karo. Let's go. Kalo kalate hayam. Speak slowly. Dur bolo. Listen carefully. Diana say suno. I don't understand. Mujhe samaja nahi maya. Please help me. Kripaya mari madada karo. Call me later. Mujhe bada mem kola karana. What happened? Kya wa? I am busy. Main vyasta hum. Come fast. Jaldi ao. Be careful. Sabadana raho. See you tomorrow. Kala malate hayam. How are you? Appa kase hayam. I am fine. Main thika hum. What are you doing? Appa kya kara rahi hayam. I am working. Main kama kara raha hum. Where are you going? Appa kaham ya rahi hayam. I am at home. Main gara para hum. Don't worry. Sinta mata karo. Keep smiling. Muscarate raho. Try again. Fira kazisa karo. Wake up early. Jaldi utho. Turn on the fan. Panka kalyu karo. Turn off the light. Leta banda karo. Wash your hands. Apain hatha do. Take your food. Apana kana lo. I am learning English. Maim angrezi sika raha hum. This is easy. Yaha asana hai. This is difficult. Yaha kathina hai. I like this. Mujhe yaha pasanda hai. I don't like this. Mujhe yaha pasanda nahim hai. Can you help me? Kya apa meri madada kar?
Will call you. मैं तुम्हें कॉल करूंगा. Please wait here. कृपया यहाँ इंतजार करो. Come inside. अंदर आओ. Go outside. बाहर जाओ. Keep quiet. शांत रहो. Speak in English. अंग्रेजी में बोलो. I am ready. मैं तैयार हूँ. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Have a nice day. आपका दिन शुभ हो. Good night. शुभ रात्रि.